Welcome to part 4 of the video series on how to go about painting a line drawing in Photoshop. In this video, we're going to use an existing image to establish a background. I went ahead and imported the image into my Photoshop file, played around with the color balance a little bit, and I proceeded by eliminating the unwanted objects with my brush tool. I made sure to choose a photo that would integrate flawlessly with the conditions already present on the figure. I later painted in the cast shadow. The shadow is what keeps the figure's feet on the ground. I also had to make sure that the horizon line of the background was the same as that of the figure. Once I was done establishing the background, my next objective was to further integrate everything together. So I used my smudge tool to play around with the edge relations between the figure and the background. I hope you can see how sparingly I used the smudge tool, because honestly this stage isn't necessary, but it's something I picked up to create a more unique style for myself. I finalized the painting by adding some last-minute details here and there. And now I'm going to go Matchbox 20 on you guys and show you how far we've come all the way from part 1. As always, thank you for watching the video. If you want to see more content, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you.